Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel that is post myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video I'm going to show you how to run your first Python program into your Windows VS Code. So guys, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest Python updates. So guys, here we go. So guys, see here's my Python file. First, I will tell you very first you need to go to python.org website. Then is download and download your Python into your Windows. And then go to VS Code like I did. I created folder Python into my E and then E drive, and then inside that folder I have created hello.py file, means Python file. And then I have write this code, print hello world. And now open your terminal like this and run that program like python space your file name hello.py. Guys, now we got the output hello world. So you guys see it's very easy. And friends, please subscribe my channel because I will come with more Python programs and I have lot of content. So guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then please contact via from my blog or this video. Also, you can see you have Python or not on your VS Code. Like here, extensions like type Python, you will see. Guys, like I have Python already installed, like you can see. So I see it's very simple. And guys, please subscribe my channel and support me because I'm working very hard for you and for this channel as well. And friends, in the end I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.